Ever wondered how to get started with ActiveCampaign swiftly and seamlessly? Well, ponder no more. In the next minutes, you're going to master the art of setting up ActiveCampaign, a leading customer experience automation platform. Let's dive right in. The first step is to create an ActiveCampaign account. Visit the official website and click on Get Started. Choose a plan that best suits your needs and budget. From light to enterprise, each plan offers a unique set of features. So take your time to explore and make an informed decision. Once you've chosen a plan, you'll be asked to fill in some basic details: name, email, and password. That's all it takes to create your account. A verification email will be sent to your inbox. Verify your email and voila! You're now a part of the ActiveCampaign family. Next, it's time to set up your account. This involves customizing your settings to align with your business goals. From setting up your time zone to choosing your currency, this step ensures a personalized user experience. The third step is to import your contacts. ActiveCampaign provides a user-friendly interface to import your existing contacts easily. You can upload a CSV file or import contacts directly from other platforms like Gmail or Outlook. Now that your contacts are in place, it's time to create your first campaign. Go to the Campaigns tab and click on Create a Campaign. You can choose from a variety of campaign types: standard, automated, RSS triggered, and so on. Pick one that aligns with your marketing strategy. After choosing the campaign type, it's time to design your campaign. ActiveCampaign offers a plethora of pre-designed templates to choose from. Or, if you're feeling extra creative, you can design your own from scratch. Once you're happy with the design, hit Next. The last step is to review and send your campaign. Take a moment to double-check everything: the design, the content, the recipients. Once everything looks good, hit Send. And there you have it. Your first ActiveCampaign campaign is on its way. To wrap up, we've walked through the 6 easy steps needed to get started with 1. Creating an ActiveCampaign account. 2. Setting up your account. 3. Importing your contacts. 4. Creating your first campaign. 5. Designing your campaign. Reviewing and sending your campaign. Within just a few minutes, you've gained the knowledge to initiate your journey with ActiveCampaign. Isn't that impressive? Remember, mastery of any tool comes with practice. So don't hesitate to delve into ActiveCampaign. Craft campaigns, play around with various features, and observe your business flourish.